it is CyberGeek back with another video. Today it's the second video of the Python series. So today I'm going to teach you how to do some basic mathematical calculations in Python. As you can remember, in the last video I taught you some basic concepts and basic theories of Python. So today I'm going to show you some basic mathematical calculations in Python. When talking about mathematical calculations, basically we have 6 basic mathematical calculations in Python, which are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, expotention, and modulus function. So first we will see what addition function does. As you all know, the addition function adds up two numbers. So I'm going to show you how to do it using Python. I'm going to save this. So to run this, we can use the shortcut key Control Option and N. So as you can see, we are getting the result as expected, which is 14. Next I'm going to show you how to do subtraction. Same as the previous one, we print 1 minus, which is subtraction mark, 2. Save this, we have run this. Now we are getting the answer as 6. So next I'm going to show you how division function is implemented. Same as the previous functions, number 1 divided by number 2. Save this and run this. So when we run it, we are getting 2 because here inside 10 there are only 2 4s, but and also the remaining or the decimal value is not shown. Next I am going to show you the multiplication function. here the first number multiplies with the second number and then gives you the answer, which is really simple. So we are getting 40 as the answer when we multiply. Next I am going to show you an important function, which is expotention, which is also known as the square. Here if we print number 1 exponent, which is derived by 2 stars, number 2, we are getting the answer of 10 to the power 4. Which will be 10,000. Should be 10,000. Then got to show you what modulo or modulus function is. In the modulus function, here we are deriving the modulus function from the percentage mark. In the modulus, when we apply the modulus function, it gives us the remainder of a calculation. For example, if we change the number if we change these numbers to 20, modulus function, print number 1 modulo number 2. If we run this, we are getting it as 0, because when we divide 20 by 4, we don't get a remainder because it divides exactly by 4. If we here 23, then save it and then perform it, we are getting as 3, because when we divide 23 by 4, we are getting the remainder of 3. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, make sure to like it and press the like button and press the bell icon to get the latest videos to you on time. And if you have not subscribed my channel, make sure you subscribe channel to get new videos. Thank you.